Now we're going to cover actually getting past the main screen and actually using the software. So I can minimize this. So if you want to go into the engine, the transmission, the ABS or body controllers, your decision, there's two ways that you can do that. You can either highlight where you want to go. So for now we're going to highlight the engine and you can click connect, or you can simply just double click on where you want to go. Now we're going to connect to the engine because that's what I selected. So from here you can still read your fault codes, which will give you the same information that we did on the first screen. You can clear your fault codes. You can get to your system data, which system data is anything that's stored or programmed in your ECU from the factory. Current software version, horsepower rating, so on. Operation data will be your trip reports, your total life of vehicle reports, your engine abuse data, your after treatment data, and you can clear the trip reports. Monitoring is where you can get to your live data. So if you need to graph a sensor or anything else, this is where you do it, is in monitoring. Then you have actuating components. You have your system checks, so your cylinder cutout, your VGT is considered a system check. You have your parameters, road speed, cruise speed, idle shutdown time, PTO, that's all parameters. Maintenance is anything that's maintenance related. So that's where you're going to find your DPF regen, your SCR efficiency, your soot level resets, your system resets after change. That's all considered maintenance related items. Calibration is once you replace the part, anything that needs recalibrated, you're going to find that in calibration. And then configuration is your date and time and password management for your ECU. And then data record. Data record allows you to go into your live data and you can pick up to 24 values and then go do a drive or just let the software sit while an engine's running and monitor anything from the live data for up to 90 minutes. And then you can go back later and sit in an office or in the AC or wherever and replay that file back in the data recorder. In the data recorder, you can pick the parameters and graph them and everything else. And that's the basics of the middle screen. Now the middle screen will change depending on the year of the vehicle, because if you have an older vehicle you don't have DPF regen, so you will have less options, but for the most part all of it's laid out the same on everything.